Hi everybody, Abby here from Ballet by Night. Today I just want to do a quick video, an intro to Jeté. So this is a petit Allegro step. It is going from 1 foot to 1 foot. So in our ensemble we're going from 1 foot to 2 feet. This is 1 foot landing on 1 foot. We're just gonna do a little bit of an overview on this, and then I will give you several combinations to work on the mechanics. So similar to our ensemble, Jeté is going to begin with a brush. That's on the fond, plie the supporting leg. Brush, and we want to think that we're going to replace this leg. So we really push off this foot, up, and then we land in our coup de pied, back. Now if we were going to do continuous jetés, we want to almost think of a frappe from that position into our next one. Frappe, replace. Frappe, replace. So the main thing there is to make sure that you fully engage the toes in the coup de pied, but then you relax them to brush to the floor, just like our frappes do. One of the other common mistakes when we first learn jeté is to travel side to side. We do not want to do that. If we were going straight down a room, we should continuously stay in one straight line. Another mistake is not fully stretching on the supporting leg. So that's why it's very important that before we take the brush land action, that we know that we can go up and down on one leg and really stretch, because we don't want it to be too grounded where we're not getting that full extend. And the feet should be both extended in the air for just a moment. Extend, land. For our first exercise, we're going to do just that. We're going to put the right foot in coup de pied, and we're just going to take and 1, and 2, and 3, change 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, change 4. If you really don't feel strong enough doing the jump, work on a very strong releve that shoots up in the same timing, in the jump timing. So do the same thing. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and, okay? But do not jump if you're not ready. Also be very careful about the floor you're on. We're very lucky to have our O'Mara sprung floors helping us be fully ready to jump in our small spaces. You go to O'Mara and check out their sprung floor options, because they are definitely worth it. Really hard. That's actually, in my opinion, much more difficult than just doing jetés, but excellent for building strength. One thing I was thinking about as I was doing that combo is talking about another common mistake. The coup de pied in the back, we want to make sure it's not going up and down the leg when we're jumping. It's got to be glued to that leg. It's got to stay in the same place. So we're going jump, it stays. Jump, it stays. It stays. It's very easy for it to go like that or like that. Really, 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 and the tension from that very slight push against should also kind of help make the combination a little easier. Whereas if you don't have that, it's a little harder on you. All right, next up, kind of like we did with the ensemble in the last video. We're going to start with just our brush. Brush, change. So So this, we're not fully yet trying to get 2 feet in the air. We're just trying to get the feeling of brush, not push off the supporting foot to land in that position, change. Then our frappe, remember that's kind of like our little frappe here to go from the next one. Here we were in 5th and we brushed. Here we're in coup de pied, so we have to frappe to make this a continuous movement. Frappe, change. Frappe, change. So the things I want you thinking about are your brush, pushing off your supporting leg, not moving, but thinking I'm replacing. Not moving, replacing. We're not going super high in the air yet, but I just want those little mechanics to make sure that we can feel the frappe from the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th repetitions. Yeah? All right, let's give it a try. That went really well, and I hope you're now getting the feeling of jeté. Again, if you've learned it before and you're going back to this video, I want you to still really work with breaking these steps down, doing them slowly, thinking about some of the little things, because that will help make it improve when you're going faster and up to tempo. So if you're more advanced, this will still help you a whole lot. So the next one, we're just going to try and get to our, not full tempo jeté, but just our regular continuous jeté. So we're doing almost what we did in the last video, just a more robust version of it. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going to go jeté, 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 jeté. Now, sometimes, you know what? I'm going to add something in here. We're going to do jeté, stretch, plie, just because I really want you to feel the lift of the supporting leg. So we're going to go jeté, stretch, plie, jeté, stretch, plie, jeté, stretch, plie, jeté, stretch, plie. So I want the jeté to be full jeté, 2 feet stretched at the height of the jump, replacing, not traveling, pushing off, all those things. But that stretch in the middle will really help you strengthen the supporting leg. And hopefully that will then help with your push off more easily when they get faster. So let's do that, and then we'll do one more. We'll take it a little faster. We're just going continuously. Again, I want you to think about the brush, the 2nd foot, the placing of the leg into coup de pied, and then the frappe on the next one. It's not insanely fast, but it's considerably faster than the last combinations. So it's just going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, continuous down the line. If you're feeling really confident, if this is not brand new to you, try doing this without a bar and just going straight down the room, not traveling side to side, holding arms and holding your back really solidly. Okay? Let's go. Put the left leg in front. Thank you so much for joining me today. If this is a step that is still new to you, or you're working on, maybe you learned it, but you're not entirely sure if you learned it fully correctly, then do these exercises every day for a week or 2, and you'll see lots of improvement. Be sure to find us on Instagram and Facebook, Ballerinas by Night. Tag us or use our hashtag Ballerinas by Night. We'd love to see you dancing this and get to see any improvement you make. That's all for today. Thank you, everybody. Bye.